In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Newegg Shuffle for graphics cards. So let's just get straight into the video. The Newegg Shuffle is a lottery style system for purchasing high demand graphics card, for example, RTX 5080. At the retail prices running Monday to Friday. So users must select desired items on the Newegg Shuffle page during a typically 2-hour morning window, wait for a same day email confirmation, and purchase within a strict 2-hour buying window if selected. So all you need to do is first thing first, simply go ahead and log in into your Newegg application, visit the Shuffle page. Visit the Shuffle page to see the active drawing times, usually between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. ET. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and wait for the notification. Newegg will notify winners via emails, usually on the same day. If selected, you have a limited time, often 2 hours, to purchase the card. Do not move items to the save for later or wish list, as this can forfeit the item. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.